Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make this origami swirling bow tie. To make this project, you will need any square piece of origami, but in this video, we'll be using a 6-inch piece of origami. Let's see it in action. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start off by folding in half. Crease sharply. You want to crease this really good. Open it back up. You could either use scissors or you can just rip it. And you want to rip it or cut it on that line. So I'm just going to rip it like this. And you're only going to need one piece. So take the other one aside and take this one, start off and fold it in half. Increase it, open it up, and fold this down to the crease. And do the same thing on the other side. Crease it like this. Now you want to fold this down. And then you want to open this up, push this down, and fold it. Now, fold it back over. Take this one, open it up, and do the same thing. And then close it. Fold this up all the way. Turn it over and do the same thing. And then you want to close it here. Like this. Next, you want to take this and you want to fold it all the way up here so it aligns like this. And do the same thing with the other side. And then you just want to open this flap up and fold it down this way. Open this flap up and fold it down this way. Open it up and you're done.
Now, I will teach you how to throw it. You're just going to hold it right here with 2 fingers, and you're just going to curl your wrist back up like that so it flies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of these videos, and we'll see y'all next time.